Welcome back. Now, as a small YouTube channel, I'm a realist when it comes to getting that 100,000 subscribers. That's never going to happen for this channel. But if, like me, you might be lucky enough to get one of these. Now, this is part of the perks that you can get with the YouTube Partner Program. So occasionally do a little perk and you might get something for free. So we've got this. It was a choice. It was that or a sausage roll apparently. So I picked this. Made in China. Let's get it open and have a look. What's it say in here? First things first, have fun. Well, that's what it's all about, isn't it? So it's an LED neon sign, 12 volt. Comes with a power adapter, DC 12 volts. Okay, indoor use only, you can live with that. There's a high five piece of paper. Managed to get your hands on a limited edition YouTube neon. So let's get into it. It's pretty well packaged, that has to be said. Oh, look at this. That's pretty smart. Oh. Okay, let's put that down to one side. What else is in this box? Another piece of paper. That's not very, is it? The power button is located on the stand. Hold it to adjust the brightness. Aha, that sounds quite good. Okay, so this is the stand. Pretty sturdy actually. And then here we've got the power adapter. Okay, how does this fit? It looks like it's a little key. Oh yeah, there you go. Excellent. What do you think of that? It's quite smart for free. Now once you get to that 1,000 subscribers, you obviously can monetize. And one of the other things you should think about doing if you're a new channel is get your own merch created. And YouTube have got partners with a couple of different merch providers. So let's see, that's about maybe that's 1.5 meters, maybe maximum of cable. Let's get this plugged in down here. And we'll plug this in. Yeah, so you can make yourself a little bit of merch. It gives you something to base on, so let's turn this on. So tap it once. Wow, that isn't half bright. Wow, that's really bright. So on or off. If you hold it, it gets dimmer and dimmer. I have to say, I'm actually pretty pleased with that. Not bad for absolutely free. I think this may feature on some of my videos in the future. You put this on the end of the desk. I'll never get that big play button, but hey, maybe get a little neon one, eh? Thanks a lot, YouTube. Oh, I hold it to get brighter again. And press again to go dimmer. I like that. It's so bright now, it's actually lighting up the desk. Excellent. Thanks for watching this little video. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe now. And as I get any other stuff like this, I'll share it with the channel. I've got a few more bits of kit to review shortly. Don't know if I've done a proper review on this yet. Stadia controller and how it works well with various different handhelds. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next video. Bye for now.